Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing the design of our barista training facility. As you can see in this floor plan, the layout is structured to support both theoretical learning and hands-on practice in coffee preparation and cafe operations. It combines several functional zones where students can learn, practice, be assessed, and even experience the real work flow of a coffee shop. Let me walk you through each area and explain the symbols and their corresponding competencies. So, first is the entrance and exit. Next is the contextual learning area. These chairs and tables are represent our collaborative learning space. Here, students will engage in discussions, lectures, and group activities. The competency developed is teamwork, knowledge sharing, and theoretical understanding of barista concepts like coffee origins, brewing methods, and cafe management. Next is the practical work area, which has a bar counter, chairs, equipment, and trash bin. So on the right side, we have the practical work area, which looks like a real cafe bar. It has a bar counter, espresso machine, blender, oven and glassware, and sink. We also have a small refrigerator and trash bin. So this is where students practice real barista skills, like pulling espresso shots, frothing milk, making latte art, preparing beverages, and maintaining cleanliness. The competency here is hands-on barista practice and customer service simulation. Next is the learning resources area. So we have books, table and sofa. So at the left side, we have a cozy learning area. We have a cozy learning area with books, manuals, and sofas. This space is for self-paced study, research, and theory reinforcement. The competency developed here is independent learning, coffee knowledge expansion, and continuous study of industry standards. So next is the support area, which has a stock room, cabinets, backup ingredients, and utensils. The support area serve as the stock room. It's where backup ingredients, utensils, and supplies are stored. This area teaches inventory management and resource organization, where are essential for running a sustainable coffee business. So next is the computer area. This area contains computer used for digital learning and barista-related simulation. Students can study cafe POS system, online resources, and even complete digital-based assessments. The competency here is digital literacy and technology integration in cafe operations. So, next is the comfort room. We have toilet, lavatories, and trash bin. So, The comfort room reminds students of the importance of hygiene and sanitation practices in food and beverage service. Competencies include personal cleanliness and workplace safety compliance. So, next is the distance learning area, which has a laptop and streaming setup. This area is designed for distance learning and online instruction. It's equipped with laptops and recording equipment for streaming lessons. The competency here is adaptability to blended learning and digital training platforms. So, next is the institutional area assessment. This is the competency test zone. Here we have the assessment area where students undergo competency-based testing. They are evaluated on beverage preparation, customer handling, and workflow efficiency. The competency is formal skills validation aligned with industry standards. So, next is the training resource area. So we have trainers desk and materials. So this is the trainers workspace where teaching materials are prepared and lessons are managed. The competency here is instructional organization and guided learning from professional trainers. And last, we come now to the quality control area. This area is the tasting, cupping, and latte art evaluation. So, this area is dedicated to coffee tasting and latte art evaluation. This is where students practice sensory evaluation, flavor profiling, and beverage quality assurance, like essential skills for any professional barista. So, to summarize, this facility is more than just a classroom. It's a complete barista training laboratory. It provides spaces for theory, practice, assessment, and quality control, ensuring that every student can gain the knowledge and skills and attitude needed to succeed in the coffee industry. Thank you.